Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel YouTube, Phnom Penh Walk. Today, Phnom Penh Walk would like to share with you all about Night Market Riverfront Open Air Market. Phnom Penh Night Market is a riverfront open air market with a cozy atmosphere. In Cambodian known as Psar Reat Trey, the small market is located in the center of town near Wat Phnom. The entrance is on Sisowath Quay along the Tonle Sap River, a nice place for an evening stroll. Try some local street food, listen to live Cambodian music and browse for clothing, watches, and various knicks. Clothing, handbags, and watches. Every weekend vendors set up their stalls. Among the items on offer are watches, jewelry, shoes, clothing, fashion accessories, souvenirs, belts, handbags, and all kinds of knacks. Fake designer clothes. If you're looking for fake designer products, the night market is the place to go. On offer are fake designer clothes, handbags, and watches from brands as Lacoste, Gucci, and Chanel, sometimes incorrectly spelled. Fresh fruit and vegetables. Cambodia produces a lot of tropical fruit. At the night market you can buy fresh local fruits like coconut, mango, banana, durian, dragon fruit, mangosteen, lychee, rambutan and longan, to name a few. Cambodian street food. Phnom Penh Night Market is a good place to eat Cambodian street food. Prices are low. Expect to pay between $1 and $2 per plate. Among the dishes to try are noodle soup, fried rice, spring rolls, Cambodian sausages, grilled pork on skewers, steamed pork bun, grilled sausage on skewers, fish amok, and barbecue chicken. Have a fruit shake or freshly pressed sugar cane juice with ice to go with the food. Colorful desserts. There is plenty of choice of colorful Cambodian desserts that look very appetizing. Enjoy coconut ice cream, taro ice cream, pumpkin custard, mango with sticky rice, banana cake or khmer layer cake with coconut cream. We hope you like and enjoyed watching this video. Please help to share and subscribe to get new videos from us. And kindly let me know if you have any suggestions. Thanks you and have a good day to you and your family. Best of luck of you all.